You certainly are an unconventional police officer, Sergeant Boyle.
Nothing of his unconventional heritage.
Something so much more unconventional.
It's unconventional, perhaps, but it's the best date I've ever had.
Your courtroom manner may be rather unconventional.
Method for gaining your attention may seem a little unconventional, but
We have a very unconventional chemistry. It makes people feel awkward, but not me.
Side of inexperienced and unconventional players.
Unconventional. Return to the sport.
Only shite. Any propaganda they sell to the kids. You certainly are an unconventional police officer, Sergeant Boyle.
Thank you.
That was not meant as a compliment.
And the baby Tristan grew up knowing nothing of his unconventional heritage. But never mind how the
conventional.
Yes, I suppose it is. I've just done something so much more unconventional. I refuse to take back money that belonged to me.
And this is very much a date. It's unconventional, perhaps, but it's the best date I've ever had.
Win some, lose some. Your courtroom manner may be rather unconventional, but I gotta tell you, you're one hell of a trial lawyer.
My method for gaining your attention may seem a little unconventional, but hard times call for harsh measures.
Tell me about it. I want to understand it.
We have a very unconventional chemistry. It makes people feel awkward, but not me. All right, she's the most beautiful woman I'd ever been with.
Wow.
54. The coach was left with few options outside of inexperienced and unconventional players. The bulky midfielder, Zito, bent leg striker.
Yes, the other is.
What do you think about his unconventional return to the sport?
In jumping, there's an expression.
Everybody wants script. Don't be greedy, okay?
What we do, it's a little unconventional, and so...
Okay.
You're licking ice cream cone.
His teachings are sound, unconventional, unfamiliar, new, but sound. Was San Francisco not unconventional?